Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then click on upload from computer. Now click choose files and select the video file you want to upload from your computer. The upload process may take some time. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. This may take a few minutes depending on the file size and your internet speed. While your video is uploading, you can start filling in the details, add the title, description, and all the other details. You can also choose the privacy settings to control who can see your video. Once the upload is complete, you can add captions, include interactive elements, and edit the video. And once you're happy with all the settings, click on share and your video is now saved. You can share your video by copying the link. Just click on copy link, or you can also embed the video on your website or blog. Just click on copy embed code and paste it in your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.